Hi, if you're looking to take your time clock usage to the next level, then this video is for you. In the video, we've gathered the 5 most important capabilities Connecteam's time clock has to offer. This video will save you both time and money. The capabilities we'll discuss are geofencing, auto reports, limitations, day locking, and conflicts. Geofence is an advanced capability that allows you to create a geographic fence around a site or an address and have it associated with a job. In other words, to clock into that job, users must be within that specific fence, or else the job will not appear for them to clock in. To get your geofence set up, click on the geolocation and add your site. Give the site a name, type in the exact address, such as 5th Avenue, and decide what job you would like to be available for that fence. From now on, your employees will only be able to clock in if they are in the restricted zone. For those of you who love automations, you can set up your time clock so that you receive your payroll exports automatically in your inbox. All you need to do is select the report's frequency, when it should be sent, the recipients, and what type of report should be sent. To create a report, add another report, give the report a title, select the report type, set up the report frequency, decide upon the recipients, and add additional filters. From now on, the system will be working for you. One of Connecteam's goals is to give you the tools to be in control of your team's shifts, prevent time theft. In addition, prevent insufficient processes by limiting employees who arrive early to just clock in before their shift starts. This is why we created the time clock limitations. In the limitations, we will limit when and how users can track time. You will decide if they would only clock into their shifts within their shift frame or a few minutes before. In addition, you have the ability to auto clock out your employees as soon as the shift frame ends, or a few minutes after. To add on that, you have the ability to decide what days of the week your users can clock in, and decide the time frame of which they would be able to do so. One of the advantages of using a digital time clock is that you can accurately track your employees' working hours and know exactly what you are paying them for. Having a proper payroll approval process helps ensure payroll accuracy, monitor labor costs, and offers peace of mind when doing payroll. By giving specific admins the ability to lock days on the timesheets, you are requiring them to go over the hours and approve them by locking those dates. A locked day means an admin with the relevant permission went over the hours for that day and approved them for payroll. Lock days cannot be edited unless first unlocked by an admin with unlocking permissions. The first step would be to enable the day locking and selecting the admins that can lock days and admins that can unlock those days. To lock the user's timesheets, we will first access the user's timesheets. Here, you will review the user's timesheet for the current payroll cycle, review the start and end time of the shift, and once approved, you will hover over the lock icon and lock the day. Once hitting the lock icon, click on Confirm. Once the shift is locked, there can be no changes made, nor by the user or the admin. At Connecteam, we want to make your payroll process as quick and efficient as possible. That's why we released the timesheets conflicts, which will now spot any time there is an overlap in your employees' timesheets and allow you to quickly resolve it. No longer will you have to spot these errors yourselves. The system automatically does it for you. To see how it works, click on the conflicts button at the top. Here, you will be able to detect the error and correct it accordingly. You would be able to decide if to cut the start or end time of the shift. In addition, you would be able to delete the shift entirely. You would also be able to decide if to split an overlapping shift that has been inserted to an existing shift. If you would like to view all of the conflicts that have been resolved, you would be able to view them in the Conflicts History tab. From now on, there will be no room for any errors on your timesheets. Thank you for watching. Feel free to reach out.